Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It's 20 minutes recipe in your kitchen at home. 20-25 minutes in the oven. Salmon and some ratatouille vegetarian dish. It's a vegetarian dish. Hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I said before, if you got too much money, you can donate some. Remember, cookbook online 50% off. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, I'm gonna cook 2 pieces of salmon, and I'm gonna use the 2 pieces of salmon for a different recipe. But first of all, what I'm gonna do is just simply put a little bit of salt on it like this, not too much, and a pinch of pepper. Basically pop it straight inside of the oven for 12 minutes. Alright, 12 minutes inside of the oven, and then we're going to remove it from the oven. If not, give it another 2 more minutes. Basically, if you're using gas mark, you can use gas mark 9, or if you're using a different kind of oven, gas mark 8 is alright, or 9 if you're using a different oven. 165 or 175 is good for 12 to 13 minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice. So basically, I'm going to make a ratatouille vegetarian dish, and basically we're gonna serve it with the salmon. So basically what we're gonna do is cut up all of these right here, and we're gonna roast them off in the oven. We got some pepper, and we got sweet potato, and this one is aubergine, and this one is kojak. All right, so basically we're gonna cut them up and make you guys see exactly what we're gonna do. Nice and lovely. So this is the veg right here. I got just put some white onion, which I already have cut up already, inside of the bowl. So basically what I'm going to do is pop a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put the mixed pepper in it like this. Put some olive oil. You could cut up the pepper a little bit smaller, but that's fine, you know what I mean? When it's roasted, we get soft. So basically what we're gonna do now is, this is a kojak. Cut them up very small. So this is a size which I've been looking for, even with the peppers, but that's fine. The pepper can get soft when it roasts, alright? So basically we're going to do all of the veg like this. Nice. So right here, this is the aubergine, and I'm going to use half of it. And this half, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another recipe with this to show you, alright? And basically, it's the same way. Sweet potato. I'm gonna use all of the sweet potato. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is it right here. So we're gonna roast off in the oven. So basically I got a oven tray right here, and this is what I'm gonna do. Well, it's a lot, but sometimes when you roast it gets shrink. So basically I'm going to roast off this in the oven for about half an hour until everything roasts and gets soft and nice. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. I'm just going to be sharing. I just take the salmon from the oven and basically they're ready. And as I say, I'm going to use 1 pieces for the ratatouille vegetarian dish. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Nice. So basically, this is a chopped tomato sauce which you're gonna use in the ratatouille. So basically, I'm gonna open it and probably use about half of it in the ratatouille. So hopefully you will enjoy it and subscribe to the channel, and we have a lot more healthy recipe coming out for you guys. Nice. So basically, this is a frying pan, and all I'm gonna do is just pop the ratatouille like this in it. I'm using half cans of the ratatouille. Then we're gonna put some veg in it like this. We're not gonna use all of the veg. So basically, as you can see, we're gonna pop a little bit of ketchup, bring up the flavor, give it a stir. The reason why I don't want to like mashed up and soggy up, no, I just want to be like this right here, guys. So basically, as you can see, I'm just gonna make this cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna serve it. All right, because what happened now, the ketchup gonna bring a lot of flavor to it, so there's no need to worry about the seasoning. But what we're gonna do is just put a little bit of all-purpose season just to bring in the flavor. Nice one. Let's give it a go. That's beautiful. Really nice. Put a little bit of pinch of mixed herb. With the ratatouille veg, you can put any kind of veg you like in it. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, as you can see, now this is ready. So we're gonna serve it now. All right, enjoy the recipe. Nice one. So right here, I have a frying pan on the stove. Basically, we're just gonna melt a little butter. Squeeze the lemon inside of it like this. That's for the salmon. Pinch of mixed herb. So that's why the butter to melt with the lemon juice in it. All right, lovely, guys. So now this is my plate. This is just a pastry cutter, as you can see. Like if you want to cut or stuff with pastry, you can use this. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but this is how I'm gonna be serving it. So basically, down inside of it like this. That's it right here. This is how I'm serving it. Basically, this is a pastry cutter, as you can see. That's the ratatouille inside of it. Then basically, that's right here. That is beautiful. That is fantastic, guys, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. Nice one. So as you can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is on about with this lovely meal. Then basically we're gonna take it up like this. This is just a, as I said, this is just a pastry cutter, and as you can see right here, that looking really lovely and nice, and that's a nice lovely vegetarian dish. Got some lemon. So as you can see, this is just a nice lovely healthy vegetarian dish. Salmon served with ratatouille vegetarian dish. Look at this, guys. This is an amazing recipe, and hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, and as I said, we got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and hopefully we can come with more best better in the future. See you next time. Bye bye.